Still clinging to templates and PT respond to situation? Here's the truth nobody told you. Templates won't save you when the pressure is real. You see the range of questions yourself. Pause the video right here and take a look. There's a variety of questions related to different situations. Now ask yourself, is it really possible to memorize a separate template for every single type? Of course not. In fact, trying to do that will only confuse you in the exam. What you need instead is a smart and flexible structure that you can adapt on the spot, not a pile of memorized scripts. Here's a simple 3 step formula that works every time. Step number 1, start with the polite greeting and show respect. Step number 2, give a clear explanation. Step number 3 is a decisive call to action. Now I'll explain you in detail. Coming to step 1, start with hi, I hope you're doing well. I am here to talk regarding. But remember, if a name is mentioned there, you will take that name. For example, hi John, hi Myra, whatsoever is given. Step 2, give a clear explanation. Take ownership of the situation by saying, let me explain it. Unfortunately, I completely forgot. This you'll speak as per the question. And then you'll say, and I sincerely apologize for. Step 3, end with a decisive call to action. That means you suggest how you will fix it. You can say, I'll sure it doesn't happen again. And the essential tip here is always end with a promise or a solution. Leave your listener with the confidence in you, and I'll show you a few examples ahead. Now that you know the 3 step formula, stop the video right here and read the sample answer on the screen. And notice how each part, the greeting, the explanation, and the action flows naturally and confidently. Stop the video right here and see this answer as well. This is the third response. Stop the video again and read this as well so that you understand it fully. Sample 4 is more detailed and it gives a genuine reason and shows that the speaker is taking ownership. Ending with a clear commitment to improvement makes it a well rounded response. So, did you notice the pattern? Every strong answer follows the same 3 steps: polite start, clear explanation, and a confident action. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, pick one, and practice out loud. This is the kind of response that scores well. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own answer using the same structure. Drop in the comments and give me the feedback.